Okay, if you're a complete beginner and you're learning your pentatonic scale, which is like probably A minor scale on the 5th fret, like this one. You might find it difficult to practice this way, just playing one note at a time and switching, keep switching, keep switching. That's pretty difficult for a complete beginner. What I find it useful is try to play one note, try to repeat one note many times when you're practicing this scale. For example, just stay on first note of this pentatonic scale. Just try to beat in time, that's important. You know, just keep going. Yeah, and then you go to the next note. And then you go to the next note. Just like that. The next note, till it feels really comfortable. All downstrokes. And so on, yeah? You just keep practicing this scale, just repeating one note at a time. The next step, try to get a pattern. Pattern on one note pattern. So not involving two note patterns. So just one note. So instead of playing all straight notes, you're going to go something like that. Until it feels really comfortable. Then next step, you can come up with these patterns. They're pretty simple. You know, something like 3-4 note patterns, really basic. You don't need to go and find a book with the patterns of the pentatonic scale. You just can come up yourself. That's, you know, the creative process is actually good. So you find the things that you want to practice yourself, you know, like come up with some ideas. Okay, well, what next step? You could try to connect two notes. So we're going to go from this note to the next note. So I'm going to try to come up with some pattern now, but, you know, connecting these two notes. So I'm going to go like, yeah? So it's like, until it feels really comfortable. And then next string, repeat it a few times. And then next string. And so on. Yeah. Once you're comfortable with this step, you want to switch a bit quicker. So maybe you want to do like this sort of pattern. Maybe slow it down a bit. The next string, repeat it a few times until it feels really good. String and so on, okay? Once you're comfortable with this step, you should go to another step. You want to connect one string to another string. So from this string, you're gonna go to the next string. So maybe come up with some pattern that involves these 3 notes. So it could be like, you get it? Then you can start from next string. That's one of the possibilities. Also, you can do it going backwards. So you can go like, pretty basic. You might find it challenging if you're a complete beginner, but this lesson is for complete beginners anyway. So yeah, so figure out like really simple patterns, try to apply them to the scale. It makes it more interesting to actually practice the scale, yeah? And once you kind of find with all these steps that I just gave you, then you can start playing the scale up and down, yeah? Just simply all down strokes, that's important. So you're just concentrating on the switching notes. So you basically practicing this hand a lot. Well, and obviously synchronizing both hands. Okay, I'll stop here. Have any questions? Let me know. If you find it useful, let me know. I'll continue with this sort of material. Yeah. Thanks for watching.